Japan's Emperor Naruhito and Empress Masako landed in the UK at the weekend and are gearing up to participate in a series of engagements hosted by King Charles and Queen Camilla from today. It marks the first Japanese state visit to the UK since 1998. The state visit had been 4 years in the making after an initial trip planned for 2020 was cancelled because of the pandemic. It has also been slightly adapted because of Rishi Sunak calling a general election for July 4, but the trip will include a military parade complete with a carriage procession down the Mall in central London. Arriving late afternoon at Stansted Airport, north of London, the couple will be in the UK for 7 days, attending private events, before the official state visit kicks off on June 25. The state visit program is as follows. The Emperor and Empress of Japan arrived privately at Stansted Airport on June 22 and were greeted by the Ambassador of Japan. The Viscount Brookborough KG, Lord-in-Waiting, greeted their Majesties on behalf of the King. Monday, June 24. The Prince of Wales will greet the Emperor at their hotel before accompanying them to Horse Guards Parade. Their Majesties will then meet Charles and Camilla for a ceremonial welcome at the Royal Pavilion, where the Prime Minister is expected to join them. Presentations will be made, the Guard of Honor will give a royal salute and the Japanese national anthem will be played. They will then head inside the royal residence for a private lunch before being given a tour around the picture gallery of items from the royal collection, which includes items relating to Japanese history. In the afternoon, the Emperor and Empress will visit Westminster Abbey, where the Emperor will lay a wreath at the grave of the unknown warrior and complete a tour. The royal family will then host a state banquet at Buckingham Palace in the evening for the Emperor and Empress of Japan. Wednesday, June 26. The Emperor will visit the Francis Crick Institute, the UK's flagship biomedical research centre, and the institute supports an innovative UK-Japan research partnership which covers a range of public health issues, including cancer and vaccines. He will also attend a banquet at the Guildhall where they will be joined by the Duke and Duchess of Edinburgh. Thursday, June 27. The Emperor and Empress of Japan will formally say their goodbyes to King Charles and Queen Camilla and then travel to Yongvia where the museum's Japan, Myths to Manga exhibition is on display. The duo will pay a private visit to St. George Chapel, Windsor Castle, to lay a wreath on the tomb of Queen Elizabeth II. Later that afternoon, His Majesty the Emperor will tour the historic Temperate House at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew. The collections hosts billions of wild plant seeds spanning 97 countries including Japan. Friday, June 28. During the last day, the Emperor and Empress of Japan will visit Oxford for a private program of engagements including a visit to the colleges where their Majesties studied. Emperor Naruhito did research on the history of transportation on the River Thames when he was studying at the University of Oxford. The Lord Chamberlain will bid farewell to the Emperor and Empress on behalf of the King, before they depart from Rathbrise Norton.